Every day, every night, I can never stop the grind. Practice everything right till I finally am able to fly. Until the day I'm gonna soar high. Yeah, watch me be a star so bright, a story only I can write. It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day. Whatever comes my way, I'm gonna show the world I'm the fairy Ella. Wonderfully me, I'm pretty Stella. You will see I'm sparkling already. I'm the one and only, that's right, I'm fairy Ella.
Fairy Ella transforms. Ella's disappointment. What's wrong? Do I look strange? You look so funny. You only have bunny ears and whiskers.
You're not a rabbit. You're a freak.
That's so mean.
Silence! Minor glitches can happen to any beginner. You shouldn't make fun of a friend for making mistakes. Keep your chin up, Ella. Don't be discouraged.
Yes, sir.
That's all for today, class.
See you. Bye.
In all my years of teaching, I've never seen a student transform partially before.
Why couldn't I transform? Everyone else transformed. Why couldn't I?
Hey, freak! Move out of the way!
Huh? What do you want, Poika? Are you trying to pick a fight?
You're walking in the middle of the road, and it's inconveniencing me?
Don't be difficult. Just walk around me.
Why should I?
What?
Don't you think the freak who can't even do a simple transformation should be the one to move? Totally. So, skirt to the side, Ella.
Why don't you make me?
Make you?
Come on, bring it on!
Show her, Poika. Teach her a lesson. Uh-oh. Ella's super strong. What should I do?
What? Are you chicken?
A chicken? I'm not scared. It just wouldn't be fair to fight a girl. So, I'll let this one go this time. You're a true gentleman, Poika. It's the gentleman thing to do.
Gag!
Yikes! I won't be so nice next time!
What a weirdo. I hope Mom made a lot for dinner. I will make like the wind. Mom! Feed me, I'm starving.
Huh?
I'll give you something tastier to eat, so please don't eat me.
Oh, did I scare you?
Mommy?
I'm sorry, dear. I forgot that I had transformed.
Phew. I thought I was a goner. Why did you transform, Mom?
The thought of you learning this skill today made me nostalgic.
Gee whiz.
How was class? Was it all right? What was your first transformation assignment?
Well...
It's all right, Ella. No one's good at it from the start.
But my friends were good.
Don't compare yourself to your friends. You're different from them. You are special.
I'm special because I can't transform.
Don't be so hard on yourself. I wasn't great at transforming from day one either, but later I was top in my class.
Really?
Really? Why would I lie to you? All you need is time, so be patient.
How long do you think it'll take before I'm really good at it?
3 months? 6 at the most? Trust me. 6 months later.
Today's assignment is a dove. Transform into a dove and soar into the sky. Are you ready, class?
Yes, sir!
Raise your arms and fly high.
Me first! Woohoo! I'm #1 again! Whoa! The view from up here is amazing!
Flying is awesome!
Everyone's doing well. Oh?
At least I have wings. I can